Welcome back to the assembling of Marble Night City, and we left off at J and K. So these are J and K. They are apparently not looking the same. Now I'm embarrassed. I thought they were the exact same. Okay, I'm just gonna check why that is. Oh, okay. That's embarrassing. Okay, but cool that I found that out now. The long wood part is supposed to be with the long plastic part, so I'm gonna start this video with correcting my mistake. That's good. So let's start with that. Let's make sure you can see what you're supposed to see. Yeah, there we go. And we have our little screwdriver here. Right. So the backings are what's supposed to be changed. Lifty-loosey. I have lotion on my hands, so it's a little bit sticky. And I also think it's easier if I don't take the screws all the way out, but leave them in the plastic part and just switch out. That's the same thing, but different way of saying it. So there we have the front piece. And the middle piece. And the dishwasher is going in the background. We also have a laundry happening, and we have our oven on because we're roasting already used coffee just to dry it, basically, because we looked up on the internet that it could be a good mosquito repellent if you burn it. So we're gonna try that. Okay, there we go. Putting that one there and that one there. That looks better. So let's do this, and then we go righty-tighty. There we go. That looks better. Da da da. Ooh, it has a film on it. I didn't notice that before. I can see that now. wonder... I don't think it really matters if I keep it on or not. It looks cool either way. I mean, it's more like a matte finish right now. And I suppose that it's a very clear, nice finish without the plastic. And it probably said something. Yeah, it does! In the description, I thought it was talking about changing like this. I didn't understand that they meant take off the plastic, remove the film. Right, does it say that? Yes, it does. It says remove the film. Okay, well, I can remove it like that as well. There we go. Can you see it being shiny a little bit, maybe? Girl? There we go. I think there is a plastic film in between, but I'm going to be okay with that. So now we have J and K, and J is the long one and K is the short one. And now we are needing B4, 4 of B4, J3 and J4. Okay, so here are the 4 B4s. They are more or less stoppers of some sort. J3 and J4, and they are what are they doing? Oh, I think these are gonna be swinging inside of the machine. They're gonna be lowering the what is fart? Fart in Swedish is pace. They're gonna lower the pace of the marbles. It's so bad. Fart is not a good English word, but it's a good Swedish word. Okay, so J3 and J4. And this whole thing is going to get called I. Is it? No, L. J, K, L. So when it's done, it's going to be L. Right, so J3 and J4. J3 and J4. Oh, you sat on top of it. It's not nice. You should not sit on top of things. There we go. J3. This is J3. Welcome to J3 and J4. Cool. And you are now getting your plastic moved. Right. That's a nice noise. Ew, I don't like that noise though. Shiny. There we go. You can see the rest of the room through these shiny plastics. Ba-da-da-ba-bum, ba-da-ba-da-bum-bum. Right. Now we need this one. And we need this one. We also need J4. Is that you? I don't think so. Or that way? No. This one has the writings on it. So I am going to believe that this is the one. It looks correct. So I will put that on. Up here. Like so. Like so. Flip-flopped. Like that. And now it says put these here and here. It also just put this one on. Yes. And then put the B4s. And I think that the B4s are these four. It says B4, so I will believe so. Cool. Right. Oh God. The long one is at the back. And the short one is at the front. And I keep on falling in and out of with you. I'll never love someone the way that I love you. Here we go. Shoo, shoo, shoo. I keep on falling in and out of with you. Okay, cool. So now this piece is not done. It needs these 4 stoppers. It creates more friction and therefore it's harder for it to just pop off. Not someone the way that I love you. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, 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 yeah. Ooh, oh, yeah. Oh. stoppers, and I'm taking these out like it says. Now we have part L. Cool. L. So now we're at step 14. 14. This is a really long step, because when I'm done with this part, it doesn't say, it doesn't have a name. It is that's interesting. I don't think that's supposed to happen. Is it? What is that? No, it looks weird. Why does it do that? Oh, it does have notches. Why does it need that? Why does it need it? Why do it? Why? Why don't you just slide it on? Okay, one thing at a time. Here we need C4. Excuse me. Mi scusi. We also need C17. C17. We need A, B, C. Oh, it was there. C4. It has a plus on it, and I don't know if I need that later, so there we go. And then we need an M2. That one will do. We need 2 little screws. Put them over to one side. Oh yeah, here they are. And this one. Okay. It's gonna look something like this. In and out of love with you, I love someone without you. Okay, I'm looking for the parts and then I will judge. Because I'm a judgy person. C4. Do we have C11? Yes, we do. Do we have C16? Yes, we do. Do we have C18? Yes, we do. Do we have C19? Yes, we do. It's right here. Do we have C20? Yes, we do. Do we have M2? Yes, we do. Do we have screws? Yes, we do. And we have the screwdriver. Like the, whatever you call this, screw thingy. The screwing. Right. Now the wash is done. The laundry is supposed to be hung. I'll do that very soon. That might be my break. Case might be that my man picks it up, but I will not make him do it. It's only if he wishes to do it. He is already having his hands full with other parts of the home. Can we find the hole? Yes, we can. There's a song that I'm trying to learn, and it is it's a Swedish song that is more like a folk song, but it is a little bit old schooly. So oh my god, interesting. I'm working on this one now, and I am supposed to follow up on this one. Am I not? Oh, okay. I see why. I was thinking before, why can you not slide them? I didn't look at these wings. But of course, they have made the notches properly able to get shifted into the right place instead of but now there's a little bit too tight of a space to, no, it's fine. It's a fine. To get it over the corner here. I thought that was gonna be a problem, but it's not. It's not a problem. Snug, like a bug. This one has a circle and a triangle on it. Ooh. Yep. Cool. Jag kan ta den. Tack så mycket. Was a lot harder than with the black ones. Is this gonna fit at all? Okay. With a little bit of tension, it is. These are very snug. Oof. Cool. Okay, this is what this is, and this is what this is. And now this one needs, it doesn't have a name. Why does it not have a name? Okay. C9. C10. C12. And C13. Nine, 10, 12, 13. 13 is going here. Yes. C10. Ooh, I almost broke it. There we go. Okay. We have that, and for the next part we will need more of those like plugs, the F12 and the J2. Where do we have you? Where do we have you? J2. And remove the plastic. looks like the small opening here is from there. Like so. Ooh, yeah, perfect. Right. Now we need the F12s. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I, J, K, L, M, O, P. F, 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 nope. E and F. Do I have more F? No. F12. Oh! How many? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. And there you go. A, B, C, easy as 1, 2, 3. A, B, C, da, 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 A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. C, D, 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 D. There we go. Okay. Great. Turn the page. We are almost done with M. I suspected that, but I didn't want to be presumptuous, so I waited for the instructions. Now we need 4 more. The F12, sorry. F, and the J1. And the plastic goes off. And it's kind of self-explanatory at this point, but no buts. Hello from the outside. At least I can say that I tried. we have M. Cool. I think now is a good time to take a break, and we'll be back soon. Bye.